commerce out of the town in the 70s. Lawyers move in, turn buildings into warehouses. So it's the exact same story. Hurricane Michael just really galvanized this community to be like, we got to support local people.
Yeah.
Because they're the ones that come and help you with chainsaws when the trees fall in your house. And so it takes a long time, and downtown is a long way to go. And when you're trying, downtown as a whole, I have the success of history class and other little things we're doing downtown, but then I need the whole area and town to be better, right? So if you're trying to make progress in a town, it has to be more than one singular effort. And so sort of, we were inspired by people to move downtown. It wasn't like we weren't the first people to move downtown, or we're not the first people to invest in downtown, but we really want to get everybody in, because we want to help build wealth with lots of people.